The TrackArm is the most flexible portable 3D measurement device available, with a range of 230 feet and probe reach of up to 12 feet. The TrackArm kit includes an SMR mounting bracket, a 7/8 inch drift nest, a 7/8 inch calibration ball used with the drift nest for calibration, a 7/8 inch SMR, a hex wrench for attaching the SMR bracket, and a trigger cable, one end for connecting to the MCU with an RJ45 jack, and the other end with an auxiliary port jack for connecting to the arm. TrackArm setup. First, connect the USB cable from the computer to the arm. Then, connect the RJ45 Ethernet connector to the MCU. Now connect the TrackArm trigger cable to the arm auxiliary port. Next, connect the other end of the trigger cable to the front of the MCU in the TrackArm port. The TrackArm port is clearly labeled. Now, attach the TrackArm SMR bracket using the supplied hex wrench. The bracket should be fit so it centers over the arm on the outside top side of the arm. TrackArm calibration. Start by securing a 7/8 inch drift nest on a fixed surface in front of the arm. Next, remove the SMR retaining bracket so that the bracket will be able to mount directly on the calibration ball. Click on Calibrate SMR with Hole from the probe dialog box, and then begin the calibration by holding down the green button for each of 3 sweeps of the arm. When the calibration is finished, push the back button. The results will show on the screen and can be accepted by clicking OK and then Yes. For the arm calibration, set the arm active and then click on Arm Probes. From the Arm Probe dialog box, click on the Hole Calibration Routine. When the arm calibration is complete, accept the results by clicking OK, and then set the tracker active to begin measurement. Measuring with the TrackArm. To measure with the TrackArm, first secure the 7/8 SMR onto the arm. Now you're ready to begin measuring with the arm in the tracker's coordinate system. First, track the beam out toward the arm, and then take the arm and catch the beam with the SMR at the end of the arm. Then click on the Switch to Arm, which will bring up the dialog to begin collecting data. For each measurement, click on the front button on the arm. Each time a measurement is triggered, the red light will flash on the tracker and the number of points collected will increment on the screen. It's a good idea to move the arm through a large volume to get the best accuracy with the TrackArm. When enough points have been taken, click the back button on the arm and the results will show up on the screen. In this case, we see the results had a standard deviation of 7 microns, which is the quality of the fit between the tracker and the arm. Compare the arm and the tracker. An easy way to demonstrate the TrackArm's accuracy is to measure a sphere with the arm and then switch back to the tracker and measure it with the tracker. First, we measure the sphere with the arm that has already been established in the tracker's coordinate system. Next, we set the tracker active from the probe dialog, and now we measure the sphere again with the tracker's SMR. Next, we compare the results by doing a point-to-point distance calculation between the two spheres. In this case, we have a maximum of 50 microns in any one direction. Additional demonstrations. Now I'm going to demonstrate using the TrackArm again, just going through the same process. First, you track the target out toward the arm. Then you open the probes dialog box and choose switch to arm. Next, take the arm and catch the beam with the SMR. Be sure to take points in a large volume with the arm. That will add accuracy to the measurement. When you're finished, hit the back button and look at the results. Once you've accepted the results, the arm is ready to measure in the tracker's coordinate system. Now we've moved the arm again. Click on the probe dialog and switch to arm. Then we take the arm and catch the beam again and begin taking points. It's good to take at least 12 points. After the fit is complete, the software will throw out any points that were unstable. So typically you might get 3/4 of your points in your fit. Again, make sure you get a nice full volume with the arm, which will increase the accuracy of using the TrackArm. And when the points are finished, you click on the back button and accept the results of the computer.